Okay, so the pills are kind of large, but I put them in the mortar and pestle and grind them up, and and then sprinkle that on their food, and it works well. But I have found that if I mix it with a little bit of this, which this says to mix it with water, but I don't. The vet said you can just use the powder. So I mix the two powders together and I just sprinkle it over their dog food and they eat it right up. But it's really been quite amazing how there's absolutely no itching and they're not getting bit by anything this year. And at $22 to take care of both pets all month versus the cost of the chews from the vet, which supposedly have things in them that can hurt your animals, I find this to be a really good alternative. Cat won't eat it though, no matter what I do.
Starring James Arness as Matt Dillon.
I asked for chews and not a peel. This is a peel.